and Strati stuff. I hope I get this name right, but let's present to you our next Artist Award winner. It is Nkululeko Kanye. Mr. Nkululeko Kanye is an executive director and founder of Unkazibulali Awareness. Okay. Chairperson and board member of Amanziko Group. He is a philanthropist, spiritual and community developer. He is passionate about bringing change and contributing to the society. Woo-hoo! Give him a woo-hoo!
I'm a village boy who believes in myself to empower and change people's life. Mama Pinky, thank you so much. BM Production, thank you so much, team, for believing in me. KZN, Etewini, thank you for loving me. In all my work that I've been doing for many years, 14 years, serving souls, serving nation against depression and suicide, I've never been recognized here in KwaZulu-Natal. I've received awards in all 9 provinces of South Africa and across the country. This is my first award and recognition. That humbles me.
Yes!
Thank you, South Africa, for believing in me.
Thank you.
Komola, this is for you.
Yes!
Komola, from the small town in Komola, this is for you. South Africa, this is my promise that I will make you be proud of me internationally by saying to people, if you can lost everything, you can start again.
Yes!
I am a testimony, the beacon of hope nationwide, by sharing my journey to people that proudly saw I am a victim of depression and a survivor of suicide. My story was a mess, but today it's a message international. Thank you. Thank you, South Africa. Thank you, Tanzania.
Thank you, Kanye. Woo-hoo! And right